Okay, what we have here, this is the trigger mechanism. Basically what it does is when you push on the trigger rod, show them the trigger rod, Brian. Okay.
Carefully placed there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Jack, can you zoom in on that?
Yeah. Okay. We're zoomed in on the model. There's your trigger rod. The trigger rod does two things. The first thing it does is it levers the bottle of, it wedges out the lever, which then dumps the marbles down the black tube, but it also knocks out this nifty little support stand right there, which then will cause the weights to drop. Okay, so here we go. So marbles, 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 into the cup. Okay, you see that thing? That's a DVD remote. Marbles drop into the cup, which pushes the pin, which is positioned directly over the play button on the remote, which zaps right over here to the Pioneer DVD player, which should play, I already got it, should play the video on the lovely TV, okay? Now, the weights drop down and knock over this lever here, which is nicely weighted down. The lever pulls up on a piece of fishing line over the pulley, which pulls the trigger to the train, which goes chicka chicka chicka. So train, 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 tapes, 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 tapes. So we get the VHS tapes, basically doing domino, 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 domino.
Thank you, Disney.
Which eventually knock into this little bugger, which is the RCX little crawlabot robot thingy that Brian and I both kind of co-engineered. He basically just moves in a straight line, so you can't really call him a robot. He's just this thing that you push a button and he moves in a straight line, and if you push the other button he stops, okay? So he uses a worm drive in there, which we might show you later if you really want to see it. So you climb up this ramp, put the guardrails in because it liked to fall off, and we didn't want to be like that one dude with the train. So you come over here, it climbs up here.
Dirty sink. Don't look.
That's fine. What it does, finally, when you get up to this step is, pushes this little wheel cart thing out, which drops the weight through the trap door there, which pulls the Coke up and pours the Coke.